Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about pagination. When we have a huge amount of the records in a table and we want to show these records on the single page, it's not possible to load all records in one shot. It will take more time to load all records in the page. So in this case, we use pagination. It will split our records into pages. Alright, so let's see how can we use pagination in Laravel. So for that, first of all, go to our database, and here you can see here the users table, and just click on browse. Alright, you can see here there is no any records in this table. Okay, so first of all, insert thousands of record in this table. So for inserting thousands of record, I am just going to use faker class. Okay, so go to the first of all go to the project, and inside the project just click on database and then sheets, and now click on database seeder.php. Okay, inside this class, this PHP file, just first of all add here use faker factory as faker. Okay, and one more, use illuminate slash uh, support slash facades slash db. Okay, now inside the run method, first of all comment this and just create a faker object. So just type here dollar faker is equal to faker colon colon create. All right, and here for each I'm just going to create 1000 records. So here just use a range method, and inside the range method just pass 1 and 1000. Okay, as dollar index. All right, now curly bracket start and close, then db d capital and b capital colon colon table, table name is uh, users. Okay, so just type inside the table within the single quote users, arrow sign, insert. Inside the insert method just pass an array and terminate with semicolon. Here name fat arrow dollar faker name. Okay, then email dollar faker arrow email. All right, comma, in last password dollar bcrypt. Sorry, first of all bcrypt. Bcrypt, inside the bcrypt I'm just putting here password. Let's say password is secret. Okay, and that's it. Now save the file. Now execute this header. So for that just go to the command prompt, and inside the command prompt just type here php artisan artisan db colon seed. Okay, now press enter. It's processing. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to inserting creating all 1000 records, so please wait. Alright, now database setting completed successfully. So let's check user table. So go to the PHP MyAdmin and just here refresh this page. You can see here all records are inserted. You can see here total 1000 records. Okay. Alright, now create the controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just create a controller. So type here php artisan make controller name. Let's say controller name is home controller, so type here home controller and now press enter. Alright, controller created successfully. So just open home controller. So go to the project, then app, http controllers, and you can see here home controller. Just open this. Inside this home controller class, just create a function public function all users. Okay, curly bracket start and close, then dollar users user colon pagination paginate. Okay, paginate, let's say page size is 10. All right, now return view. Let's say view name is users, so type here users and inside the array just passed here users, so type here users right arrow sign dollar users. Okay, all right, uh, just import here user model, so just type here use app and model name is user. Okay, now save the file. All right, now create the view. So go to the view resources folder, resources, views, and inside the view just create a new view file. Let's say view name is users. Okay, right, just rename this users.blade.php. Already exist. Okay, all right, users view is already created. So all right, I'm just changing the name here in h1 tag all users and title all users. Okay, now save the file. All right, and now just create a route for this. So go to the web.php file. For that just click on routes folder, web.php, and here just create a route. So just type here route get users. All right, then controller name, which is a home controller, at the rate, and method name is all users. Okay, just copy and paste here. All right, now save the file. All right, now go to the user blade.php file and here just add Bootstrap for CDN. So go to the Bootstrap for official site. Just type here getbootstrap.com and just click on get started, and from here just copy CSS and paste here. Now copy JS file and paste here. Okay, give some space margin. Alright, okay, just create here section container row and column. Alright, just paste here. Now add a table here. So just type here table class table script. Alright, and here table class t head. Okay, tr td, and just type here id and just copy and paste 2 times. Just pass here name, email. Alright, and tbody tr td, and here just use here for each dollar users edge dollar user, and here inside the double curly bracket user id. Okay, just copy copy and paste it 2 times, and change name and email. Alright, okay, and here for the pagination just write here dollar users and links. Okay, now save the file. Let's check. So go to the browser, and here just type here users. Okay, you can see here this is the pagination. You can see here there are 10 records are showing here. Okay, if I click on second link, it will show it will show next 10 records. We can change the page size. So for that go to the home controller, and here simply change the page size. Let's say page size is 20, and now save the file. Let's check again, just to refresh the file. You can see here 20 records in one page. Okay, alright, so in this way you can use pagination in Laravel. So that's all about pagination. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.